Hey there, YouTube fan. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be discussing a crucial component of your vehicle's engine system, the engine speed sensor. The engine speed sensor, also known as the crankshaft position sensor, plays a crucial role in your vehicle's operation. We'll explore the symptoms that indicate a faulty sensor, the possible causes behind it, and some effective remedies to get your engine running smoothly again. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the symptoms, let's quickly understand what the engine speed sensor does. The engine speed sensor, also known as the crankshaft position sensor, monitors the rotational speed of the engine's crankshaft. It provides vital information to the engine control unit, ECU, to ensure proper fuel injection timing and ignition spark. Part 1. Common symptoms of a bad engine speed sensor. Now, let's discuss the telltale signs that your engine speed sensor might be malfunctioning. Remember, these symptoms can vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle. Here are a few common ones to watch out for. 1. Irregular or rough idling. If your engine idles inconsistently or feels rough, it could be due to a faulty engine speed sensor disrupting the fuel injection timing. If the sensor is not accurately detecting the crankshaft's position and speed, it can disrupt the fuel injection and ignition timing. This can result in rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, or a noticeable drop in engine power. If your engine feels rough and lacks its usual smoothness, it's time to consider the engine speed sensor as a potential culprit. 2. Stalling or sudden loss of power. A failing sensor may cause your engine to stall unexpectedly or experience sudden power loss while driving. 3. Difficulty starting the engine. If you're having trouble starting your vehicle, especially when the engine is warm, it could be a sign of a faulty engine speed sensor. 4. Inaccurate tachometer or RPM gauge reading. A malfunctioning sensor may cause your tachometer to display incorrect RPM readings or fluctuate erratically. The engine speed sensor is responsible for providing the RPM information to the gauge on your dashboard. If the sensor is faulty, the tachometer may show erratic readings, stay at zero, or fluctuate unexpectedly. Keep an eye on your RPM gauge as it can give you a clue about the health of your engine speed sensor. 5. Poor acceleration. If you notice that your car is struggling to accelerate, it could be due to a bad engine speed sensor. 6. Engine misfires. The engine speed sensor provides vital information about the position and speed of the crankshaft to the engine control unit, ECU. If the sensor is malfunctioning or sending incorrect signals, it can disrupt the engine's timing and lead to misfires. If you experience frequent misfires or your engine suddenly shuts off, the engine speed sensor could be the culprit. Part 2. Possible causes of a bad engine speed sensor. Now that we've identified the symptoms, let's explore the potential causes behind a malfunctioning engine speed sensor. Keep in mind that these causes can vary, but here are a few common ones. 1. Sensor damage or wear. Over time, the engine speed sensor can become damaged or worn out due to exposure to heat, oil, or debris. 2. Electrical issues. Faulty wiring connections, loose connectors, or damaged cables can disrupt the signal between the sensor and the ECU. 3. Sensor misalignment. If the engine speed sensor is not properly aligned with the crankshaft or flywheel, it may not accurately detect the rotational speed, leading to sensor issues. 4. Contamination. The engine speed sensor can get contaminated with dirt, oil, or other debris, affecting its performance and accuracy. 5. Sensor wiring harness issues. Damaged or frayed wiring harnesses connected to the engine speed sensor can cause signal interruptions or incorrect readings. Part 3. Remedies for a bad engine speed sensor. Now that we understand the symptoms and causes, let's discuss some effective remedies to address a faulty engine speed sensor. Remember, It's always recommended to consult a professional mechanic for accurate diagnosis and repairs. However, here are a few potential solutions. 1. Visual inspection. Look for visible damage or dirt buildup around the sensor's location. 2. Check the code. Using an OBD2 scanner can reveal specific error codes related to the engine speed sensor. 3. Sensor cleaning. If contamination is the issue, carefully clean the engine speed sensor using an appropriate cleaner and a soft brush. Be gentle to avoid damaging the sensor. 4. Check wiring connections. Inspect the wiring connections and harnesses associated with the engine speed sensor. Ensure they are securely connected and free from damage. Repair or replace any faulty wiring as needed. A multimeter can help you check for continuity and proper voltage in the sensor's wiring harness. 5. Sensor replacement. If the sensor is damaged, worn out, or misaligned, it may need to be replaced. Consult your vehicle's service manual or a trusted mechanic for the correct replacement procedure. 6. Seek help. If basic checks fail or you're uncomfortable tackling the replacement yourself, don't hesitate to call in the cavalry. A mechanic can use specialized tools to diagnose the problem accurately and perform the necessary repairs. 7. ECU reset. In some cases, resetting the engine control unit, ECU, can help resolve minor sensor-related issues. Disconnect the battery for a few minutes, then reconnect it to reset the ECU. Remember, ignoring a bad engine speed sensor is like dancing to a broken record. It can lead to inaccurate speeds, engine performance issues, and potential safety hazards. Be proactive, listen to your car's whispers, and take preventive measures to keep your engine's rhythm steady and your speedometer reliable. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the symptoms, causes, and potential remedies for a bad engine speed sensor. Remember, diagnosing and repairing engine issues can be complex, so it's always best to seek professional assistance when needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, happy motoring and drive safe.